So first of all, it was overwhelming. When we started the expo over here, it was very crowded. It was very crowded, and we got so many inquiries around here. So overall, we are happy. So the benefits of the premium exhibitor here is that you get the visibility overall from marketing perspective or on posters and everywhere. So people know that you are like, for me, my brand name is 3D Personal LLP, so they know where am I, where my stall is, and they come and they visit us, and we get a lot of inquiries afterwards. Yes, basically when we join to this business, there are multiple factors which affect on this business. Like for cosmetic manufacturer, there are MOQs. We need some good clients which can work with us, which can also promote their brand and with their brand, our name. So here in CMPL, you get designated good buyers which comes to you, which have unique experience, which have their unique sales marketing staff and everything. With that, you can promote your product and they can sell it to customers. Yeah, basically there was a person from Australia. We connected much better. It was an order from import, and I think we will going to take things forward as a professional and as a relation as well. So basically, we are from west side of the Gujarat, west side of the India part. We are based in Gujarat, so we are looking for something new, like from northern side or from outside exports, because we just started importing and exporting everywhere. So we were looking for export mainly. For more, that's a tricky one. Actually, they offer a lot, so it's very hard to say what we can do new, but I can say it can be more streamlined, so we can get more customers and all. Yes, CMPL can start an award for exhibitors only. That if a third-party manufacturing is coming to their on their platform to exhibit, they can take their innovative product from they develop for the expo, and they can give them order, so it can get recognized by other as well. So basically, currently we are showcasing a moisturizer. It's called a glacier phase moisturizer, which is all-day moisturizer, and it gives you heat protection as well and moisturizing benefit in winters. Apart from that, we have an anhydrous sunscreen, which is based in from mineral. It's a totally mineral sunscreen which has 0% water and has a very smooth feeling. Apart from that, we have created a special anti-aging formula. It contains 3 different retinol, one pure retinol, one retinol, and there is a bioretinol combination which gives you a perfect anti-aging solution. Apart from that, for in hair care, we have a hair growth serum which has a clinically proven result, and a unique anti-dandruff hair oil formulation which can cater to your customer range. Yes, we do in skincare, hair care, bath and body, and color cosmetic as well. When you have direct connection to buyer, it leaves an impact on buyers as well. That these were the companies which were in exhibiting, and they can see your product in live, and then you can take it forward, and that can be a really big advantage.